5. Special feature, screen sharing. Our screen sharing feature is designed to enhance collaboration. Unlike traditional platforms that limit you to one shared camera, our platform allows you to share multiple screens simultaneously. You can display your camera on one screen and share your computer screen on another, creating a more dynamic and informative presentation. To start sharing, simply click the screen sharing icon. You can then choose to share your entire screen or a specific application window. Once shared, you can resize and reposition the shared screens to your preference. To zoom in on a specific area, use the zoom function. When finished, click the Stop Sharing button to end the screen share session. For those moments when you're not actively sharing your screen, you can upload an image to serve as a placeholder. Only admins, hosts, and moderators have the ability to control who can share their screen. These roles have the ability to give users temporary presenter permissions. This ensures a smooth and organized presentation environment.